Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Manny. Today, I got another pickup for you. It's the Dr. Martens Vegan 2976, the Black Felix rub-off. I don't know what that last part means, but whatever. Needed a pair of boots for work. Needed some black boots, so went with Dr. Martens. I've had one pair in my day. I had the burgundy lace-up boots. I don't remember what model they were, but that's what I had before. Wanted to get another pair of boots, and I'm like, yeah, let me try Dr. Martens, because, you know, I never gave the first ones a try. I kind of let them go early, and never really had a good time with them. So here I am again, trying it again. But yeah, these boots are nice. They feel pretty nice. You know, classic Dr. Martens bottoms here. This is the all-around view of it. Took all the cushions out of it. You know, this is the vegan option, obviously. So they give you. Let me see if I can get this to focus in. Yeah, but it says 100% vegan right there. There you go. You can see that. Yeah. Let's see what we got in this packaging here. What does it say? This product is suitable for vegans. The uppers are made of synthetic leather, which is a combination of polyurethane and polyamide. In other words, nylon. That's what that is. All right. Well, these are nice. They feel good. I'm gonna try them on. You see how they feel? I usually wear a size 12 or size 13. Like in foam posits, I wear a size 13 because in foam posits, you got to go a size up. But these are a size 13, and these, they feel nice. I got space in the front. I was worried about that, but it doesn't seem too bad. It doesn't seem like it's going to be a problem. It doesn't. I think I'll be just fine. Give me a second and I'll do the on feet real quick. I'm trying to chuck these on. There we go. They feel nice though. Here we are. These are the on feet. Yeah, I got a little space in the front. I'm not complaining though. I thought I was gonna have to return them and get a smaller pair, but this is not a bad. It's not a bad, you know. It's not like the boots with the laces. These are Chelsea boots, so they feel pretty nice. I like these though. Yeah, these are very nice. I think I'm definitely gonna have a good time wearing these to work. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. It's been a pleasure. Have a good one.